Charley Boorman's extremely silly USA adventure holiday.
Ever since I was a little kid, I have been mad on motorcycles and looking for adventure. I think I've had enough today.
Do you need a push? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ever since I was a little kid, I have been mad on motorcycles.
I don't want to do it anymore. I really don't.
I think we should just call it a day.
Yeah. Stopped again.
Give us a push. 3, 2, 1. Ever since I was a little kid, I have been mad.
That thing was bouncing around.
Mad. Hang on, no, hang on.
I'm not touching that. Morning, Charlie.
But that is so much fun.
Hang on.
That was amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Biblical. Big, isn't it?
Brilliant.
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 Fantastic.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Fantastic. Incredible. Incredible. Stunning.
Superb.
Unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Look at that.
Look at that. Wow, this is incredible.
Wow, that is just incredible.
That is incredible. It's quite incredible.
That was incredible, actually.
It's incredible.
Incredible.
It's incredible around here. Wow. That's incredible. Oh my God.
My God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
My God.
Oh my God.
My God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
My God. Oh my God. Oh God.
Well done.
Well done.
Well done, mate.
Well done, mate.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, that's cold. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Did you see that? Did you see that? We saw that.
That is just breathtaking.
Breathtakingly stunning.
Stunningly beautiful.
Unbelievably beautiful.
That was fantastic.
Absolutely fantastic. It's just fantastic.
Well, that was
Shit.
That was so
Shit.
shit. Shitting myself.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Washed out.
Wash out.
Wash out. Washed out.
Washed out. Wash out. Wash out.
Pissing with rain. Pissed off.
Yeah.
That is just torrential.
It's been raining all night long.
Damn it.
This is the worst thing I've done.
Have you ever wished you just hadn't said anything?
Oh, this is just my worst nightmare.
It is the fucking
Disaster.
You know what I mean?
Honestly, I don't act like that all the time. That wind is due to the trap gases inside.
A Fart Gallery Films presentation.